Hey everyone, this slow motion series I'll be making is because I find the easiest way to learn tricks is to see them done. These videos are for you guys as I can already do these tricks, so I'll try my best to explain a little, but pay close attention to things like my body and foot position and the parts of the tricks that you're having difficulty with. When we're approaching for a backside Smith grind, we're going to ride up it exactly like we're doing a backside 50-50. And then just at the very last second where your truck would usually connect to the coping, you're going to try and dip it in. And it's super important that your back wheel is slammed up onto the coping and jammed and tucked in there. Otherwise, you're going to have a super hard time to keep this trick locked in. Your arms will do a lot for you as well to keep yourself balanced. So whatever they're doing, kind of just let them do it. Try your best to poke that nose down and keep that back wheel pinched against the coping. When you're doing the backside Smith grind, the more that you can be standing completely straight up on your back leg, the easier it'll be to keep the grind going for a little bit. So when you ride up and you get your back trucks on there, if you can get your body straight up in there, it'll be much easier to keep that grind going around the bowl for a little ways.